Hey, I'm Jay Foster. As many of you know, I'm a workers' comp and car wreck and trucking accident lawyer here on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, although I handle those cases all over the state. I was in Gulfport workers' comp courtroom the other day on a case, and the lawyer on the other side of me is a lawyer that I've known for many years. In fact, I've known this lawyer even before I was practicing law. I considered this lawyer a friend. That is, until I was in the courtroom the other day and he lied to me directly to my face in front of a courtroom full of other lawyers. And I was extremely ticked off by this. What bothers me even more than the fact that he lied to me is that you, the public, know who this lawyer is. And you've seen him in the paper, you've seen him on TV every now and then, and you would consider him one of the prominent lawyers, one in which you would think you would like and you could trust. And I'm here to tell you that you can't. And I'm here to tell you that I understand where you're coming from when you don't trust lawyers, because the fact of the matter is I don't trust them either, especially what happened to me the other day. This is a lawyer I considered a friend who's certainly not a friend any longer, given what happened the other day. But I was extremely ticked off by it. And the lawyer, as many of you know, I'm a black belt in judo as well as I do Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, made a smart aleck comment to me and said something like green belt, or being sarcastic or something like this. In regards to my martial arts experience. And the conversation went downhill from there, and I explained to him that we could step outside the courtroom and we could determine whether or not I was a green belt. I can tell you that I was very, very ticked off at the time, and it would have been a serious mistake for this lawyer to step outside with me that day, because I fully intended to break both his arms right at the elbow, and I was extremely upset. And what I want to know from you is, what would you have done? A friend of yours that you've known for almost 2 decades lies straight to your face. What would you have done? Answer that question on my blog, and I'll send you my free book, Top 5 Mistakes That Can Destroy Your Mississippi Workers' Compensation Case.